For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at what happened carrying out the whole trading plan, soup to nuts, on Wednesday. So what I want to look at is the first hour trades, I want to look at the plan trades, and the stocks to watch, and then everybody can get a feel for what it is that we do around here and what we are going to be doing at our upcoming boot camp in Chicago, Illinois, June 21st through the 24th. So here we go. The first thing that we had this morning, a Baltimore Chop 2 standard deviation opening gap in DHR. This was also a trade that was on the trading plan. Once we had this giant gap open, it became a 2SD gap fade opportunity. We see here that we had an easy entry just under that 89.11 close of the first bar, and we had a no-brainer kind of an entry down at 88.80, which was the low of the first bar of trading. Let's assume you didn't take that first opportunity, didn't take the entry off the close of the first bar. You went with the 88.80 low. That got you down to 88.28 on your initial profit target, and we wound up with a 52-cent per share profit on DHR. The next thing we'll do is jump over to the scalper trading plan, where Apple was once again at the top of the list, and it opened down below that 126.42 low band. Piece of cake, just put the orders in ahead of the market. 126.42 was the first entry. That took us up to 126.69. 27 cents per share on that one. When it came back down again, dipped below the 126.69 band, you had a valid entry set up for that second leg. That gave us a 126.69 to 126.88 move, another 21 cents per share. And then we had to move back down below the 126.88 band and up to 127.08 for another 20 cents per share. 68 cents per share on Apple right out of the gate using the automated trading techniques that we talk about at the boot camp. Now let's pop back to the core portion of the trading plan. Take a look at Edwards Life Sciences Corporation, ticker symbol EW. This was from the around the horn portion of the plan. Infield fly, short side setup, 130.35 entry, 131.10 was the stop, 129.69 was the target. Another no-brainer. Opens, moves higher, it's trading up around the stop. One of the guys in the room this morning got an early entry on this one, up just below this pivot line. Congratulations, we learned all about how to do these kind of things at the boot camp, and obviously that's paying off for you. But even if you got in right at that 130.35 entry, you didn't get this big additional move on the trade, but the 130.35 entry was easy to get, and the move down to 129.69 was a no-brainer. And in the room today, we called a profit extension on that one, and as you know, if you were there, we got a nice little move to the downside that added about another 50 cents per share to what we were doing. If you just bracketed this one up and automated the trade, don't worry about it. You did what you were supposed to do. You got in, you got out, and that is really all that matters. Kansas City Southern, right off the stocks to watch portion of the trading plan, 98.31 short sale entry. The target on this one, $97.90. Nice little 41-cent move right down to the profit target. Once again, a couple of you got it early on this move up to the pivot line. A couple of you hung around for the ride all the way down to 97.09. Congratulations if you did. If you didn't, don't worry about it. Once again, plan the trade and trade the plan. And finally, we had this news-based trade right from TradeTheNews.com, SNDK. We saw it popping higher. Everybody thought this thing was never going to turn around. When it did, it consolidated right under that 67.90 pivot, and boy, howdy, look what it did. 67.90 all the way down to the 67.28 profit target. Another 62 cents per share to book for the morning. That doesn't even incorporate any of the sub-$10 trades that Rick and Julie were talking about in the room. This is just the stuff that I was focusing on first thing in the morning. There you have it, though, $2.89 per share traded. And I would, again, like to extend the invitation to you to take a look at the boot camp that we've got coming up in Chicago, June 21st, 22nd, 23rd. Here's what I'll promise you. You come to that boot camp, you will be an expert in finding these kind of opportunities in your own trading each and every day of the week. You will not leave there anything other than a very, very satisfied customer. So click on the link, have a look, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.